Here's a pair of Bose QC Ultra earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Apple TV 4K. Okay, my Apple TV is right down there. So the first thing we got to do is put the earbuds in the pairing mode. Okay, now if you look in the back of the case here, you have this one little button right there. Okay, so let me open these up. Make sure your earbuds in here. Now to put this in the pairing mode, we'll know it's in pairing mode when it starts blinking blue. So that little button on the back with the lid open, put your finger on that little button and then press and hold for a couple seconds or until you see the light turn blue here, okay? So we'll do it together. Ready, set, go. Press and hold the button. Oh, there's a blue light right there. Just go ahead and let go. And now it's blinking blue. It's indicating that it is now in pairing mode. Now we need to go to our Apple TV. And then from here, you can click on the tile button or the home button right here. We want to go to settings, okay? Click on that, and then you just want to go to settings. So just go down, look for settings. There's my settings right there. Click on OK. Okay, so from here, we want to go down to remotes and devices right there. Click on OK. And then from here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth right there. Click on OK. And now under other devices, it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode that's within Bluetooth range, okay, which is basically like 30 feet. These are still in the Bluetooth, or these are still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue. So you should give it a second and you should find it. I already found it, the Bose QC Ultra right there. So let me go ahead and grab my remote and I'm going to go down and select Bose QC Ultra earbuds right there and give it 1 second here to connect. You can see the Bose QC Ultra earbuds. It is now connected, okay? Now I can go ahead and take these out of my ear and I can pop on Netflix or YouTube and all the audio is going to come out of here. Now, if you guys had issues where you could not put it in pairing mode or you had issues connecting it to your Apple TV or whatnot, you can always factory reset these as well. If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below in the description, okay? Good luck, guys.